Struggling to keep up with endless study material, forgetting what you just learned, or feeling lost in complex topics? We've all been there, and we know how frustrating it can be. That's why in this video, we're sharing 5 AI-powered study tools that will help you learn faster, remember better, and finally make sense of what you're studying. 1. Recall AI, your AI study assistant. This tool will help you learn everything faster and organize your information in a way that is easy to revise and recall. With Recall AI, you don't have to sift through hundreds of articles and hours of video content when learning something. Just enter the URL and Recall AI will break down everything into concise summaries, saving tons of time and effort. It organizes all the information summary and related links in one place, grouping relevant topics together. 2. Mapify. Learn visually with mind maps. Your go-to tool for untangling complex, layered topics. If you've ever felt stuck trying to figure out where to begin or how everything connects, like in subjects such as psychology, Mapify is here to help. It lets you visualize information through mind maps, breaking down the complete study into manageable chunks, making it easier to understand, retain, and recall. Mapify isn't just for students, it's a powerful tool for professionals too. Whether you're analyzing case studies, brainstorming business ideas, or mapping out critical processes, Mapify helps you visualize every step clearly and strategically. Perfect for visual learners, project planners, or anyone who wants to understand how concepts connect. Just upload your files and let Mapify build the structure for you. 3rd, Open Read, AI for research papers. This tool is a much-wanted solution for school and college students. If you're into research, thesis writing, or college projects, this tool will help you find the right research papers. Just type your topic, and Open Read will search across a database of real academic papers, pull out the relevant ones, and summarize them for quick understanding. No more wasting hours going through technical jargon. Whether you're writing a report, preparing for debates, or doing deep research, Open Read helps you go straight to the core insights. 4th, CourseBox. Build your own AI course. It takes any open info source, like YouTube videos, web pages, and turns it into an interactive AI course, which means you can convert your favorite sources into structured learning paths, create quizzes to test your progress, and have a clear track to follow. It's like having your own personal course builder. You can learn anything online, but now you can do it the smart way, with structure, clarity, and testing built in. And finally, Albus, your personal AI-powered thinking board. With Albus, you get an unlimited workspace where you can generate text using AI, upload documents or images, and connect ideas visually. If you're someone who likes to learn from multiple sources, choosing explanations that make the most sense to you, then this is the tool you've been waiting for. With Albus, you can gather content from anywhere. In place, AI generation, articles, PDFs, or your own notes, and organize it all in one visual, interactive space. It's perfect for self-paced learners who prefer flexibility and clarity. For example, I used it to build a complete beginner-friendly web development course in minutes. Now I can track which topics need more focus, see my progress at a glance, and always stay in control of my learning journey. Whether you're organizing notes, mapping out a topic, or learning step by step, Albus helps you structure your thoughts, see the bigger picture, and retain information more effectively. To recap, here are the 5 AI tools that can seriously upgrade your study game. 1. Recall AI, your AI assistant for summarizing information. 2. Mapify. Turn any topic into visuals for better retention and faster recall. 3. Open Read. Research faster and smarter. 4. CourseBox. Create AI courses from anything. 5. Albus. Visually organize information how you want it. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just a curious learner, these tools can help you study better, remember more, and save time. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.